I'm going to talk about the design proposal for the Papunya water tower. Papunya is the northern territory of Australia. It is about 214 km from the Alice Springs and is located in the desert. The temperatures that can reach are high as 35 degrees. About 438 people are living there. The main claims think there are the Papunya and the Luanjia. According to the research, the main emergency in Papunya is water shortage. Data show that between 2003 and 2022, sodium levels in Papunya's water source have significantly exceeded the recommended wellness set by the Australia Drinking Water Guidelines. Long-term consumption of the high sodium drinking water might pose cardiovascular health risk to resistance. During 2018 to 2019, sewage overload and surge of floods happened. Equipment malfunctions due to the long-term leakage, exploding weakness in equipment maintenance, water system testing, and emergency response in remote areas. Although these do not directly affect the drinking water supply, it poses a threat to the overall water resource management of the community. So how might we support the Papunya community to transfer a functional water tower into a vibrant social and cultural space to promote everyday interaction and cultural continuity? Those cooperatives cooperation with Papunya community creates the water tower's appearance respects local culture, enhancing its long-term usability and acceptance. Secondly, in terms of the sustainable design, we adopt a modular and rainwater collection system to reduce resource waste and improve environmental adaptability. By incorporating the indigenous learning approach of images and symbols and land connections, the design aligns more closely with the community's community framework. I took the SDGs as goal, studying with the research on local culture and the water usage habits, gradually developing and testing, and ultimately forming a water tower system that can be used in emergencies and raise public awareness of water resources. My inspiration is a legend about the rainbow spring, as talked by Miss Carroll in 2040. According to the legend, the rainbow serpent creates streams in the airlet, rainwater that still follows the lake. The first design inspiration includes 4 different parts: the inlet, the water tank, the filter box, and the base. The decorative inspiration draws from the dot art from the indigenous cultures, using circular patterns to tell cultural stories. The base is trapezoidal, wide at the bottoms and narrow at the top, to allow the central gravity and ensure stability on steady or soft terrain. The second iteration transfers the tower into a simple surface, growing underground in search of water and eventually emerging from the earth. The third design iteration brings to my sense of the ancestral searching for water. They burn down to share people from the sun and open their mouths to provide people with the water of life. The final design draws inspiration from the ancestral spiritual imagery, embodies a practice that symbolizes guidance of the land. Its iteration steeps the narrative connection with indigenous belief systems, emphasize respect from the nations, ancestral guidance and ongoing heritage. Water tank, filters, and connecting pipes are more made of the high-density polyethylene material. HDPE material has excellent chemical stability and moisture resistance, making suitable for a wide range of applications, and it does not degrade or release harmful substances. The base will use the concrete, it will be stable. In emergencies, people can use the wood or the bamboo to construct the base, or used into decoration. This mapping is short water towers could be placed in resistance areas, parking. Also, water tower could be placed in open area, ensuring water availability in case of an emergency and building a shelter area. These water tower features are modern design, making it easy to build and maintain. All of the parts are connect-used screws, which can be tightened with the base screws. If some basing happens, that can be quickly replaced using material available at a hardware store. And this is my final words. Thank you for everyone watching.